Here's a 2014 Lexus LS 460. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver finds the attention to finish and detail in the interior of the LS borders on the obsessive. Lexus, performance in every detail. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.